I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Airtable. Give here Personal Access Token. So please visit Personal Access Token. Create a token. Give here the token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Base. Select Table. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.